Hey everyone! Struggling to track the effectiveness of your SMS campaigns? Want to know how well they're really performing? In today's video, I'll show you how to measure the success of your SMS campaigns using GoHighLevel's built-in analytics so you can start making data-driven decisions. So, let's dive in. First, open your GoHighLevel platform. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Marketing section on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see both email and SMS campaigns. To access the campaign details, click on the Campaigns option under the Email section. You'll see a list of the campaigns you've sent to your leads or clients. To analyze the performance, select a specific campaign. On the right-hand side, click the More Details button to view important statistics like the number of messages delivered, opened, clicked, conversion, and more. These stats provide a clear overview of how your SMS or email campaign is performing. With these insights, you can now make smarter decisions on how to optimize your campaigns. You might want to re-engage your audience with follow-up messages or experiment with different text variations to see what works best. And that's it. Measuring the success of your SMS or email campaigns in GoHighLevel is quick and easy with the built-in analytics. Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today and take the first step towards seamless business growth. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call to ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Check the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more GoHighLevel tutorials and latest tips. Thanks for watching.